In Crypto Basics today, we have from match made in heaven to match made in the Metaverse. So, you guys will be checking out this article or review article by Sarah Ahmed. You should buy keys and stay tuned for more. Uh, we're dropping a link in the description box. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube videos if it is your first time of coming or you're a returning viewer. So, you guys, table of content we have dating in the metaverse, advantages, marriage, innovative celebrations, revolutionized marriage decor, and more. So, the virtual worlds of the metaverse offer a whole new meta experience in every part of life, even dating. So, in fact, the metaverse has changed and continues to change the usual real life ways of meeting new people, and that means dating too. So, there has even recently been a traditional wedding held entirely in the metaverse. So this obviously has piqued people's interest. What other parts of dating can we recreate in the metaverse? So dating in the metaverse, the owners of top dating apps such as Tinder and Bubble have decided to become a part of the metaverse virtual space to increase their businesses. So according to Tinder's chief executive Vinit Nyborg, Tinder's newly launched feature Explore allows users to participate in new adventures while enjoying their time online. So, moreover, the company is testing an in-app currency that can be used by datas for the payment of premium services available on the app. So their main aim is to build a Tinderverse to diminish the line between offline and online dating. Similarly, Bumble CEO Whitney Wolford claimed that the trial of launching Bumble BFF, an initiative that allows people to develop platonic friendships, resulted in a 150% increase in users. So, for this reason, the company believes that it can be a big hit within the metaverse if it manages to successfully enter Web 3.0. So, the Merge Group, an active corporation of the most popular online dating services such as Tinder, is focused on creating a platform within the metaverse by the name of Single Town. So, here, avatars of all the single people will be seen engaging in audio link conversations with each other. So, similar to a public chat room, as users find someone with mutual vibes and understanding, they will link each other in private. So, the pandemic has already increased online dating since it was difficult for people to meet in person, so they were left with no other options. So these options above, although some are still in development, offer interesting perks to compare to real life and dates. So advantages of dating in the metaverse. You want to check out to say that the metaverse has allowed people to be more connected. So metaverse dating has the following advantages. We have romance without borders. So the metaverse has made it possible for people to link, meet, and date almost anyone from anywhere around the world. It is challenging to travel worldwide searching for your loved one, but metaverse dating has finally made it possible. Also, not only can you find your partner from any country at all, but it's beneficial to learn so much about different places, cultures, and people. Also, the goodbye to boring date. So you have numerous places to go on a date with your partner if you met on the metaverse, be it in real life places created in a virtual space or somewhere fantasy like out of the books. So your typical date will not be the typical anymore. How about your take your partner for a picnic in the land of unicorns? Sounds like crazy, or it's well possible on the metaverse. Then it has also improved safety. The metaverse dating is probably the only safest date one can ever go to. So since you're not physically there with the person you just met, the chances of armed threats of any sort are nil. You have the power of leaving a date right when you feel like it. But just click the button. You can even report the other person's inappropriate behavior. So marriage in the metaverse, so the virtual world of the metaverse has completely changed some views on marriage and the traditional wedding ceremonies. The one can have almost anything in their wedding on the metaverse, which is impossible to get in the real world. During the pandemic, the world has was on an extended break, and many got cancelled. Many events got postponed and cancelled due to strict social distancing guidelines. But with the metaverse, one can be able to meet and overcome such challenges. So we have Tracy and Dave Gagnon, age 52 and 60 respectively, originally had their in-person weddings in New Hampshire, USA. However, they then contacted Verbella, a company that specializes in developing virtual environments for events, Fabulous developers went a step further, made Tracy's avatar walk down the ISO, while Dave Gagnon's avatar was seen nodding in approval to his mate's avatar's toast. So eventually, when Dave got to the green light for kissing Tracy, they marked history by becoming the first couple to get married in the metaverse. So, guys, that's the new one. We have innovative celebrations. As there have been celebrations on Zoom from birthdays, graduations, and lots of them, guys. So, you want to, these are some of the perks about metaverse. Then there's also revolutionizing the marriage decor. So the metaverse has opportunities for people to take their wedding expectations to a whole new level. Couples are provided with possibilities with no branches. Also, you also get gifts and lots of other forms of gift registries in the form of NFTs and more, guys. So, guys, so if you're starting to feel like finding your match is becoming impossible, Metaverse has got your back with an alternative that could be life changing. So, it's your boy Keys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, guys. Feel free to subscribe. Peace out. One love, guys.